Real Talk TV.
Yeah. Real Talk TV.
Big up yourself. Super Clip. Power man. Peace.
We are wicked
Right now, I not take no vaccine. Cause God
No
me say.
vaccine?
No
Alright.
vaccine. Yeah, I prefer go look for vaccine. Nah, take no vaccine. You seen? Yeah, that's what me mean. No vaccine. Not when we see.
Welcome to Real Talk TV. This is Jimmy Dreadlock to see.
Here, no man can tell you how deep the surface is. How deep the surface is. Then, no man can tell you how high the sky is. How far you can go high in the sky. Yeah man, God is the ultimate and God is love.
Yeah.
And we say love God and live, hate God and die.
Yeah.
You hear me I say, and everything come from the mind, as me I tell you. Because me I tell you something, you know, brother. Enough man don't believe in the creator, you know. Enough man believe in a scientist, you know. I don't believe in a scientist, you know.
Yeah.
But I say something to you, you know. When no man never teach me this, you know, the spirit teach me this.
Yeah.
Just look on this serious to me I got talk right now. Here, no man can tell you how deep the surface is. How deep the surface is. Then, no man can tell you how high the sky is. How far you can go high in the sky. So, oh man, I'll tell you, say, in this life, it's a million years. The earth was, or 3 million years. No man live on earth so long, so no man can tell you that. So, God is the eyes. You see me I say? And it's your mind think smart. So, it's not the thing that we're teaching at this classroom or the college or the university. Just create, just link with the creator. And you get everything. You get knowledge, wisdom and understanding that teach you all. You see me I say?
Yeah man.
Yeah man, a real talk man.
Real talk.
Yeah. And that's why we say love is the ultimate. So for you have love, God will say, straight off. Hear that? That's why I say right now, I not take no vaccine. Cause God
No
will
vaccine?
say, no
Alright.
vaccine. Yeah, I prefer go look for vaccine. Nah, take no vaccine. You seen? Yeah, that's what me mean. No vaccine. Not when we see. Not when we can. Not when we see. No vaccine. Just rope and come in. Rope and come in. Come tell them what you mean. What you think about vaccine?
Yeah, I realized that, enough study about the vaccine. Yeah, and due to the pandemic and all these things.
The
Yeah,
random.
and the pandemic, it's, some people take vaccine, some people don't. Some
Yeah.
people refuse, but it's a conditional thing.
Conditional.
Yeah, conditional.
Yeah man.
Well, you hear me? From me born till now, we are here about revelation.
Revelation.
In the Bible. You see me I say? Revelation. Me always come them way there. Because me is a youth biblical. You see me?
Yeah.
Because me always talk about history. The past, the present and the future. So, we are here about this vaccine thing. For you take the vaccine, for you can't go in a house, you have your own place, pay your mortgage, pay your rent. Fly out. If you take the vaccine, you can do all of them things. That must the mark of the beast.
Yeah.
That must the mark. You hear me I say? So you left one if I want to live for the devil and want to live for the creator. You see me?
Yeah.
So that we I say, I live for the most high God. That me I try for the. So I say no vaccine. No You hear that?
They say no vaccine or vaccine.
No vaccine. No vaccine.
Sure, they say no vaccine.
No vaccine.
Straight Simone and straight Maxine.
Alright,
No
yeah.
vaccine.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Don't use.
You don't know, you know, you see, our brethren them a chill on the corners and we are all a reasoning and you don't know the things. I see Shabba there. Zine.
You see all the top gangster them there. And the big boss Merengue over there so.
Right.
Renge!
Yeah, man, we go there, so. We go there, so. Oh, you hear me? I say, your mind is the ultimate part of your body. Because the mind is the spiritual part of your body. You see me? So everything in your mind is the spiritual part. Because you have everything have to come out the spiritual before it come in the physical. So more time if you think negative or negative gonna come out. So if you think positive or positive gonna come out.
Definitely.
Everything have to come from anything you think. It'll come out. You see me? So we deal with the spiritual part of life. So them youth need to know the spiritual part of life. You see me? Yeah. Because these youth are lost. Because they talk about guns and money. You see me? Talk about love and how you deal with humanity. You see me? That's the spirit what we deal with right now. My youth come up with a bad spirit. That's what we are telling. We are trying to teach you them. So righteousness shall prevail. You see me? I say, love God and live. Yet him and die. Yeah, I'm gonna say God is the ultimate. You hear that? Yeah. So a real talk. So you ask them a general. Tell them.
This planet work. Yeah. And you know we have to live and live positively and be constructive in life. Yeah. Don't let evil take you over. Take your soul and take your mind and your spirit and your old summer away. Yeah. Live up and be strong. Yeah. Godliness, righteousness.
At the time when people talk about God, most on everything, because you see the pandemic will go on right now. Some people are going to look to see the world will come back just like how it was before, but it's not going to come back like that. So shall it be in the beginning, so shall it be in the end. And you know, I feel like this is the end of time. You see me I say so. As me I say, just righteousness prevail. You see me I deal with righteousness prevail, my brother. Hear that? That's me I say. We can't say nothing more than that. Hear that? So that's them say love God and live, hate God and die. Yeah man. The fool says is
Welcome to Real Talk TV. This is Jimmy Dreadlock, you see, original Mad Rascal, as you see, from uptown, downtown, you see. You hear me now, every day me down a team, I beg and hustle, you see. But me, I pray to Allah to bless me. So me get rich like Donald Trump, you see. Like 50 Cent, you see. Like Eminem, you see. Have money like Dodge, you see. Can buy van like those, you see. Be nice, you see. Fly from state to state, city to city. Go to Hollywood, buy a Kingston, take gas out, me I live good for me whole language and die in the most like, ja! Rasta Bamba class, alright.
that's a real talk TV, that's what I tell you. So some people can live from Jamaica and struggling foreign. So at the Real Talk TV, that's Jimmy Dread. So this is Jimmy Dread.
This is Jimmy Dread, the sea. We will tell you about this man, see. When he was here and hurt it me, he walked up on the sea, and the sea of Galilee, right through Galilee, the most high road you see. He raised Lazarus from the grave you see, he saved Daniel from the lion, then you see. Shadrach and Meshach and Abednego were cast into fire and the man saved me see. Jonah did a Joseph see and the man turned away and saved me see. He said, no, I'll be the half as I go and flood this blood clot.
That one that's shut up. That's up. Real Talk TV. You see it? You see it? Jimmy Dread that. In England. Come in, Jimmy Dread. Come back. Come in, Jimmy Dread. Jimmy. Yeah, man. Bust the place. Yeah, man. Tell him.
Yes, man, G. Welcome to Real Talk TV. You see, I'm very cold, you see. I was up in the North Pole, you see. And I float in the deep blue sea. Motherfucker, if you can't swim, don't come with me. I will join and cannot be found, you see. Don't come with me, I can't.
The blood clot there. Real talk. It's a Jimmy Dread. You see that one there? A real talk Jimmy Dread just give you. Real talk. You see it?
Call him back, call him back.
You see it? A real talk Jimmy Dread game. You give me something from the baby call,
Yeah, talk, me.
You hear that?
When you talk, me a video.
Alright, a Jimmy Dread that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See the one.
Real talk TV. Out and loud.
Yeah.
Real talk.
Yeah.
Yeah. Jamaica. Land of opportunity. That we say.
Yeah.
Out of many one people.
Yeah.
Yeah. Our national dish, ackee and saltfish.
Yeah.
Yeah. Jamaica.
Yeah.
One love Jamaica. Cool running.
Yeah. Okay.
Real talk. Mad one. You hear that?
It's a super click.
Yeah, man, you don't know. We're there now. We are well of joyful, nice unto the Lord. All the land. You see me?
What the pool and?
Shabba looking at TV. Shabba looking at TV.
Real talk TV. So,
Yeah, sir.
yeah, man, big up.
One look, the heat is rising, and I've been cold for so long. One touch and we're igniting, setting fire to it all. You know these places